Thanks for clicking on Upgrade and Repairs. Upgrades 2022, the new code's coming in. People think it's way off, but it's only 521 working days off. There's so many homes. There's 450,000 homes in Queensland that need upgrading before that date, or they can't rent and they can't sell. If we started now, it's about 840 homes a day need upgrading. Do you think there's enough tradesmen out there to do that? No, it's going to be a real rush. Prices are already going up. The suppliers know about it and they're increasing their prices. The Queensland Fire are giving no extensions and huge penalties if you don't do it in time. So now's the time to do it. Our pricing's amazing, $165 for whether it's hardwired or 10-year lithium-ion battery-powered alarms. We can quote without even going there. 6 simple questions, we give you a quote, you assess it, you go, wow, no one can beat that. I'm in, we can do it within a week. And only 5-star alarms. If anything goes wrong with those, we'll come back and replace them absolutely free for 5 years, no questions asked. So don't be fooled by the others that are saying alarms start at such and such, because they're talking about 1-star alarms. They're going to cause you problems. Stick to the 5-star alarms. So when it comes to either upgrading or repairs, we're the ones to talk to because we only use those quality devices. And especially when you're talking about installing new ones, you should know where to put them properly. Not just being an electrician and having a go at smoke alarms. We are truly qualified in fire detection, so we know exactly every aspect of the rules. We work off a different code that's got a lot more information on it. We're true fire technicians. We are actually electricians as well though, so no home gets left non-compliant. We can do everything on the spot. So when you think of 2022 compliance, think of doing it now. It's never going to be any cheaper than now. Give us a chance, free quotes, why not? Thanks for listening.